Question number 19. For a gas, which pair of variables is inversely proportional to each other, provided other conditions are constant, where P is pressure, T is temperature, V is volume, and N is the number of molecules. Now, looking at what we are given, we have P, T, V, N. We need to recall the definition for ideal gases for us to establish a relationship. And we know that ideal gases, they are defined by the equation PV is equals to nRT, where P is pressure, V volume, N number of molecules, R gas constant, and T thermodynamic temperature. And for us to establish a relationship, let's make pressure subject formula. So we have PV is equals to nRT. Let's divide both sides by V so that we make pressure of the gas subject formula. We'll have P is equals to nRT over V. This is the same as if we remove the constant of proportionality, which is the gas constant. We are going to have P is directly proportional to NT and inversely proportional to V. So we can safely say P is inversely proportional to volume, but directly proportional to N and T. Therefore, the pair of variables proportional to each other are P and V. So we have reached this from the ideal gas equation. I hope you've been helped in this particular question and you prepare very well for your JAMB Physics paper for 2020. The other question I found challenging, which I want us to share, is question number 20. So let's quickly go to question number 20 of the JAMB Physics paper for 2025. Question number 20. A boy uses a single string pulley system to lift a mass of 20 kgs moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second. What is the power developed by the boy if g is 10 meters per square second? Now we have an object moving at a constant speed. You should recall that for an object moving at a constant speed, power is equals to Fv, where F is the force applied and V is the constant velocity. Now in this case, it's a pulley. We have a pulley system. So the force is equivalent to the weight of the object. Since the mass is 20 kgs, weight is equals to mg, which is equals to 20 kgs times g, which is 10. So our force is 200 newtons. So we're saying P is equals to Fv. The boy is pulling this side, a weight of 200 newtons. What is the power developed? Power is equals to force times velocity. But our force is equivalent to weight, which is mg. So mg, we are going to have power is mass times g, which is the same as weight times velocity, giving us 20 times 10, which is 200 times 5, giving us 1,000 to 3 significant figures. So our answer required here was B. Remember, power for an object which is moving by a constant driving force and a constant velocity, power is equals to Fv. I hope you have been helped and you are preparing well for JAMB. If you are taking the physics component of 2026, wishing you all the best until we meet again.